Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to gift memberships in chess.com. Now, I want you to look at your left-hand menu. It says play puzzles, learn more, and free trial. You want to click on more to see more options. And here, you're going to choose the three dots that says other. If you hover your mouse on other, you're going to have more options here. And on the very bottom, it's going to say gift. So this is what we want to click. So we will click gift like so. And it's going to bring you to the gift page. So you have three options here. You have gold, you have platinum, and you have diamond, which is apparently the most popular. Now, just choose whatever plan or whatever gift tier you want. And for example, we want to give somebody gold, so click gift gold like so. And you're going to be brought to this page. It's going to show you your username, your email address, and the amount. You can edit it if you want. You want to click save and continue. And here under recipient info, you want to search for the player and their account, the recipient. After you found them, click the delivery date. If you want to give it to them immediately, just put the date of the day you want to give them. Or if you want to schedule it for a surprise, you can do that at the same time. And then afterwards, you want to put a personal message if you want. This is optional. So you can say, hey, happy birthday or something. And then after that, click save. And then the payment is going to be very straightforward. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.